In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Zoom recording. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the Zoom web portal and how to confidently remove recordings you no longer need. We'll focus on computer recordings, sometimes called local recordings, and I'll point out a few helpful tips so you don't accidentally remove the wrong file. Start by opening the Zoom web portal in your browser and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. On the left-hand side, you'll see a navigation panel. Click Recordings. This takes you to the area where Zoom organizes both cloud and computer recordings. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover over it or expand it so you can see the full menu. If you manage multiple recordings, this page is the fastest way to keep everything tidy. Once you're on the recordings page, switch to computer recordings. This section is specifically for meetings that were recorded to your device rather than Zoom's cloud. It's important to be in the right place. Cloud recordings are handled separately and use different controls, so staying on computer recordings ensures you're managing the correct files. Now, look through the list for the recording you want to delete. You'll typically see details like the meeting topic and date, which can help you confirm you've got the right one. Take a moment here to double-check. Once you remove an item from this list, you won't restore it from the web portal. When you're sure, click Delete next to that recording. This action selects it for removal and opens a confirmation step so you can proceed safely. To finish, click Remove Selected from the list. This confirms your choice and cleans the item from your Zoom recordings list. That's it. The recording will no longer appear in your Zoom portal under Computer Recordings. Keep in mind, for computer recordings, removing them from the list primarily clears the reference in Zoom. Depending on your setup, the actual video files may still exist in your local recordings folder on your device. If your goal is to free up disk space, it's a good idea to check your computer's recordings directory and clear out any files you no longer need there as well. And that's the whole process. Go to Recordings in the Zoom web portal, open Computer Recordings, find the item you want, click Delete, and confirm by selecting Remove Selected from the list. Keeping your recordings organized makes it easier to find what matters and helps manage storage over time.